Adaptive PE is built to make physical education accessible and appropriate for all students. And so what PVC equipment does is it makes an activity such as rolling a ball or kicking a ball or any other actions that we could want to provoke out of education accessible for students who may not have that skill set coming into our class. Our adaptive PE program was going to build a lot of PVC pipe equipment, but this isn't our skill set. So this was going to be a very time-consuming, energy-consuming project that we weren't sure that we could do on our own. So through those connections and through Henrico, we were able to have our students make this equipment for us, which saved our teachers so much time and energy, and I feel like it was really functional for our programming.
We're fortunate enough here. I've got a great group of students, and they're helping us assemble those with specific instructions and tolerances.
So this is a bowling ramp, and it's just made from PVC, a bit of primer and glue. So I cut out all the PVC with just a PVC cutter. I drew lines on each one just so I could line it up, make sure all the angles are right. I first test fitted it just to make sure it all worked together. And then I would use primer and then a cement adhesive, and then just put it all together, let it dry. It takes about a day.
One thing would be obviously working with tools and following safety rules, regulations, and procedures. But I think the other thing is just making something that is going to have a lasting impression and that students today and for years to come will be able to use again in that adaptive PE program.